Hi students, warm greetings to you all. I am your maths mentor Valli. In this video we are going to see exercise 3.1 third sum. Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. One half of her grandfather's age plus one third of her father's age plus one fourth of Vani's age is 65. If 4 years ago Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are they all now? Okay. Now here they have given us 3 conditions, and there are Vani, her father and her grandfathers are there. First we have to assume the ages of these 3 people, Vani, her father and her grandfather. Let the age of Vani be x years. Unknown one, we assume that as x, y, z. Here age of Vani as x years. Vani's father age y years, and Vani's grandfather's age as z years. Okay, now we have assumed their 3 ages as x, y and z. Now we have to frame an equation, and if we solve those equations we can find the value of x, y, z, that Vani's age, Vani's father's age and Vani's grandfather's age. Okay. By the first condition, the first condition is Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. So we have to find the average age. Average age means we have to add all the age. That means x plus y plus z. Average means if we have adding 3 items means we have to divide by 3. So average of their ages will be equal to 53. Now we have to frame an equation. Okay. Now x plus y plus z. We have to take this 3 in the denominator to the numerator. So 53 into 3. So that is x plus y plus z equal to 159. Have this as first equation. Now according to the second condition. Second condition is one half of her grandfather's age. So here grandfather's age is z. One half of grandfather's age means 1 by 2 into z plus 1/3 of her father's age. So 1/3 father's age is y. 1/3 of father's age means 1 by 3 y plus 1/4 of Vani's age. Vani's age is x. 1/4 of Vani's age means 1 by 4 into x. That will be 65. Taking LCM for 2, 3 and 4. LCM is 12. So here in the denominator we have 2. In order to make this as 12, we have to multiply by 6. So numerator also should be multiplied by 6. So 6z plus, here in the denominator 3, in order to make this 3 as 12, we have to multiply by 4. So in the numerator also we have to multiply by 4. 1 into 4, 4y plus, in order to make this 4 as 12, we have to multiply by 3. So 1 into 3, 3x. that is equal to 65. Now 6z plus 4y plus 3x equal to 65 into 12. So 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 780. Now have this as second equation. Now third condition. According to the third condition, if 4 years ago Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani. So 4 years ago. Now the present age we have assumed as x. 4 years ago, Vani's age, that is x minus 4. Likewise, 4 years ago, father's age will be y minus 4. And grandfather's age will be z minus 4. So according to the third condition, 4 years ago, Vani's grandfather's age. Vani's grandfather's age will be z minus 4. Was 4 times as old as Vani. So 4 into x minus 4. Now simplify this. 4x minus 16. So bring all the variables to one side. So 4x, I am going to take this z to that side. So 4x minus z equal to minus 4 here plus 16. So that is 12. So 4x minus z equal to 12. Have that as third equation. Now solving 1 and 2. Here in this equation, no y term. So we have to eliminate y from 1 and 2. Now here, in order to eliminate y, the coefficient of y is 1, here 4. So we have to multiply the first equation by 4. So each and every term must be multiplied by 4. So 4x plus 4z equal to 159 into 4. 636. Now second equation as such. So 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 780. See the signs, they are of same sign. So we have to subtract the second equation from the fourth equation. Now change the sign of each term. Now 4y minus 4y get cancelled. 4x minus 3x, x. 4z minus 6z minus 2z, that is equal to, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put the sign of the bigger number. So 780 minus 636. So that is minus 144. Now have this as fifth equation. Now we have to solve 3 and 5. We have to eliminate any one of the variable. Now here coefficient of z is minus 2, here coefficient of z is minus 1. So multiply the third equation by 2. So each and every term must be multiplied by 2. So 4 into 2, 8x minus 2z equal to 24. Have this as sixth equation. And have the fifth equation as such. So x minus 2z equal to minus 144. Now the signs are of same sign. So we have to subtract the fifth equation from sixth one. Change the sign. If subtraction means we have to change the sign of each and every term. So minus 2z plus 2z get cancelled. 8x minus x, that is 7x, that is equal to now 24 plus 144. 168. Now x equal to 168 by 7. That is equal to 24. Now we have got the Vani's age. Now substituting x equal to 24 in fifth equation. Now 24 minus 2z equal to minus 144. So minus 2z equal to minus 144 minus 24. So minus 2z equal to minus 168. So z equal to minus minus get cancelled. So 168 by 2. So 84. Now we have got the Vani's grandfather's age as 84. Now substituting z equal to 84, x equal to 24 in first equation. Now 24 plus y plus 84 equal to 159. So y equal to 159 minus, when we add this 84 plus 24, 108. So 159 minus 108, 51. So we have got the age of Vani's father as 51. Vani's age equal to 24 years. Vani's father's age equal to 51 years. Now Vani's grandfather's age equal to 84 years.